Hey guys! I'm here in my hotel room about to inflate a huge unicorn float without a pump. So I hope this video guide will help you in the future. So all you need is a hairdryer and also a bottle. And you might want to bring a scissors with you because you need to cut the bottle into half and it becomes like that. So very simple. You just take off the cap from the hairdryer and then you do it like that. So I'm about to inflate the body first. Remember to use cold air, don't use hot air, okay? I'm gonna show you how easy it's done. This hold over here and hold it tight, and then alright, there you go. Close it really fast. Ta-da! The body is done within few minutes. So next I'm going to inflate the unicorn cake. So the same thing. Yay! The head is done. Alright, here you go. So that's how you inflate this big float with just a hairdryer and bottle. If you find this video useful, please like and share and tell all your other girlfriends about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!